Do you have a Jira or Confluence instance and you want to add more products to it, but you're not really sure how? Well, good news for you, because that's exactly what I'm going to show you right now. So let's jump into Jira. So here we are now in Jira. This is my demo version. So the first thing I want to do is I want to click on the 9 dots up here, and I want to go down to administration. And this only works if you own the Jira instance or if you have administration access. So let's jump over to administration, and I will select the instance that I'm going to work with, and you will automatically now see So here we are now in Jira, and this is my demo instance. So the first thing we want to do is we want to go up to the 9 dots that we have up here with the product switch, and we're going to go all the way down to administration. You can also go to more Atlassian products, but I'm just going to show you how you go through your administration first. So here we are now in Jira, and this is my demo instance. So the first thing we want to do now is to go up to the application switch or the product switch with the 9 dots, and we're going to go down to more Atlassian products. We can also go through administration, it's a couple of extra jumps. So more Atlassian products is the fastest one to go, so you just click that one. And then you will get to the product page, basically, where you can actually where you can see all the available products that you can have. So for this one, let's just try to add Jira Work Management here. So I just click Try It Now. And you're going to see that I'm on the free plan, because this is a demo for me. So up to 10 users will be free. I can have unlimited products and boards, and I can update anytime at managed subscriptions. So I just click Get Started. And then it will start now installing it for me. So while we wait for this one, let's show you the other way you can go through it as well. So let's go back. So again, we're going to go up here to the application switch, and instead we will now go through administration. And then I will select which one. So I'm going to use my Atlassian demo. This is the where I want to have it. So when you first arrive, you will have the overview. So up here you will have the different tabs for how you will manage this instance. So we're going to go to products, and this one will show you then the list of products that you have. And now we can see that we have service management, Jira administration, software, Confluence, and so on. And I can from here also click add product. And as you can see now, I first have to select which instance I want to have, or I can click on a new site and create a new site for this product. But if I go here, then you will see that I end up in the product tab back in Atlassian admin, and now I will have the same view as if I had gone this path. So let's add Jira Product Discover as well. And I can click Get Started. There you go. That is how you add now new products. So if we wait for this for a moment for them to install, I can now go to Overview. And as soon as they have been installed, you will see them then here in your product listing. And you will also see them here. So now you see under Service Management I have it for Atlassian Demo. So now I can go into each of them and use them. So if I go to Jira Work Management, for example, you'll see that it doesn't exist yet. I have no projects for it yet, but it will be available for me now as an application. So that is very short how you add more Atlassian products and also how you administrate them once you have them there. So I hope you found. Now you see I have Jira Service Manager has been added here, but I haven't received the product discovery yet. So that was very quick, a quick update on how to add new products to your Jira instance. So if you like this kind of short content, please let me know in the comments below. And also, if you like these kind of videos in general, please click subscribe. And until next time, I hope you will have a great day.